I haven't had too much to say about what happened in Maui because I wanted to gather up as much information as I could before I offered an opinion. There's a guy, a local in town, that described it to a T, I believe, an orchestrated disaster, or words to that effect. And that's sure enough what it looks like. I mean, come on, they say that they want to build the first 15-minute city in that location not too long before the fire happens. The fire happens, and all the people who could be potentially be in the way of them purchasing and acquiring the property all end up getting burned up in the fire. Not all of them, a lot of them. If that's not an orchestrated disaster, I don't know what is. But it goes a step further if you looking at the big picture, everything that's going on. Those people were sacrificed. Same thing happened in Vegas. So I would do something besides the same old if I was you. I'm not going to because I already do it that way. But you might want to brush up on some weak spots because there's more danger creeping in on all of our lives every single day because of the effects of everything that's going on. And to take it lightly or pretend like it's always been might not be the best idea. Sure, we're looking at this, but we should always bear in mind it's connected. Well, I've come to the conclusion that YouTube definitely doesn't like me talking about politics, in particular Donald Trump. So what should we do? Hang it up because the channel's never going to go anywhere if I keep doing that? Or should we go back to auto repairs and whatnot? Well, we could easily go back to auto repairs and whatnot because it isn't like the repairs aren't available. The problem I have is if we don't get a handle on our politics, it doesn't really matter. There will be no repairs. What to do, what to do.